Exercise 11.2, question number 8. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium-shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. If the area of this field is 10,500 meter square and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meter, find the length of the side along the river. So let us see first what is given in the question. Area of the trapezium shaped field is equal to 10,500 meter square. Now the perpendicular distance between the parallel sides is given as 100 meter. The length of the side along the road which forms one of the parallel sides of the trapezium is equal to A. We can take it as the variable A. Same way, the length of the side along the river which forms the other parallel side of the trapezium, we can take it as 2A because it is twice the side along the road. Now you all know that the formula for area of a trapezium is half into h into a plus b, half into height into sum of the parallel sides. So let us find the area of the given trapezium. This is equal to half into, here height is 100. The perpendicular distance between the parallel sides is the height, which is 100. And the parallel sides are A and 2A. So sum of the parallel sides will become A plus 2A within the brackets. Now you can cancel 2 and 100. You will get 50. So in the next step you can write 50 into A plus 2A will become 3A. 50 into 3A. You are removing the bracket. Now multiply the numbers. Number into number. 50 into 3. 150. And write the variable A. Now we have to frame an equation according to the question. Now the formula says that the area of the trapezium is 150A. And from the question we got the information that the area of the trapezium is 10,500. So we can equate both. 150A is equal to 10,500. Now this is like linear equation. Now we can find the value of the variable A is equal to 10,500 divided by 150. We have done transposing here. Now cancel the zeros first. Then you can take 15 as the highest common factor. So directly you will get the answer as 70. So A is equal to 70. That means the length of the side along the road, that is A, is equal to 70 meters. Now the length of the side along the river, that is the other parallel side of the trapezium, which is twice the length of the side along the road, 2A, will be 2 into 70. Now substitute 70 for A. So you will get 2 into 70. The value you will get, product you will get as 140 meter. So the length, therefore the length of the side along the river is 140 meters.